How can a simple sneeze get a fighter pilot grounded? Because at 9 Gs, even your nose can kill you. In a jet moving faster than sound, a sneeze means 2 seconds of blindness. 2 seconds where the world blurs, the jet drifts, and your life hangs on muscle memory. Miss that window, and the sky becomes your grave. But it gets worse. A blocked sinus can rupture mid-flight. A cold? It scrambles your balance, your orientation. You pull a tight turn at 7 Gs and suddenly, the ground's above you. Pilots have blacked out, crashed, even died, all because of a virus. So when a pilot sneezes during inspection, they don't get tissues. They get grounded. Because in the cockpit, even a sneeze is a threat to national security.